Exercise 1A, using the right mouse button. First step, point the mouse to the center of the wallpaper. Click the right mouse button and see the menu. Click the View Entry with the left mouse button and locate the Auto Arrange icon entry in the submenu. Click the Auto Arrange icon entry with the left mouse button and the menu will close. Select a desktop icon and hold down the left mouse button. Drag the icon across the wallpaper and release the left mouse button. Continue step 6 and 7 for all of the icons. When finished, click the right mouse button on the wallpaper. Finally, click the left mouse button on the Auto Arrange icons menu entry. The icons will return to their original position on the desktop.